10, this, 10, this, 11, onze, 12, douze, 13, treize, 14, quatorze, 15, quinze, 16, seize, 17, 17. 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10, 11, 11, 12, 12, 13, 13, 14, 14, 15, 15, 16, 16, 17, 17. So that's my own part. So your turn. What is 18 in French? What is 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25? I expect 8 comments telling me what 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. 8 comments. Please, you are expected to tell us in the comment section. Of course, you already know what 18 is 1, 8 in English, so don't go and write 18. It's not allowed. On the paper side, see, you're not doing that here. You have to tell me what it is in French language. So that'll be all for today. And thank you for always choosing to join our classroom moment. Thank you for your subscription. Thank you for your likes. Thank you for your shares. And just in case you have not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Please do well to subscribe, like, and share our videos. And please do not forget to drop your questions in the comment section. See you.